welcome everyone to today's auspicious occasion of Universal Brotherhood Day. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to hold your hands. The occasion starts by the Shanti Mantra. Om Sahana Bhavatu. Om Sahana Bhavatu. Sahano Bhunaktu. Sah Viryakarvavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Dvijavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May I invite now our chief guest, Srimati Dr. M.N. Kalo ma'am, to light the auspicious lamp of wisdom. Please be on the seat.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Let us now enjoy the melodious welcome song sung with the spirit of oneness of our little ones of class 3. May I invite our respected principal sir, Shri Nandalal Sharma, for the welcome address. Please come to the stage, sir.
Namaste all of you. Today we assemble here for 11th September, that is Universal Brotherhood Day. So, first of all, distinguished guests, dear parents, our SSG members and teaching staffs of BKB Basar and all the students who took part in the various competition we had conducted recently on the eve of 11th September. So on behalf of BKB Basar family, I welcome all of you. It is an honor to welcome our chief guest, Srimati Dr. M.N. Kalo madam. She is the SDO as well as she is the well-wisher. Our parents also, I am very happy. Yesterday evening I got the message that madam is coming as a chief guest. Really, it is very happy to know about your arrival as a chief guest. And I also welcome Sri Tony Bamji, Advocate Basar. And he has accepted our invitation and today he is with us. And my welcome to all the parents as well as the children who had took active participation to make this program a successful one, we hope. And our well-wisher also, many well-wisher has contributed and they have donated several things to make this occasion wonderful. And I also thank the sponsors of this program in the different field. For example, some of them donated water for Vivekananda Kendra Basar, and in this way, some of them they donated refreshment also to make this program a successful one. For them also, my heartiest thanks to them also. And lastly, once again I appeal all the parents that please motivate your children that nation first, राष्ट्रीय सर्वपल्ली होना है. हमारा देश सबसे पहले बोल के ये जो अपने सब बच्चा का दिल में ये इनपुट करना है, इसको इंजेक्ट करना है. हमारा देश सबसे पहले रहना है. सो विवेकानंद केंद्र है, स्वामी विवेकानंद 1893 में उसने सपना देखा था भारत एक मीन्स वर्ल्ड लीडर होना है बोलकर उनका सपना था। तो आज ये सपना साकार करने के लिए विवेकानंद केंद्र आज 45 स्कूल अरुणाचल प्रदेश में रन कर रहा है। और हमारा मेन मोटो है मैन मेकिंग नेशन बिल्डिंग। इसमें कोई धर्म कोई जाति को लेकर हम काम नहीं करते हैं। हमारा मकसद है बच्चों में देशभक्ति का भावना जगना चाहिए, चाहे कोई भी ट्राइब का हो, चाहे हिंदू हो, चाहे मुस्लिम हो, चाहे कोई भी धर्म का हो। सबसे पहले हमारा देश होना चाहिए। देश, my country is the first and foremost. Today I am here because of my nation. In absence of nation, nobody would be here. So ये जो है अपने बच्चे में ये इनपुट डालना है। हम भी स्कूल में कोशिश करते हैं कि देश सबसे पहले होना चाहिए। तो ये आप मैं सभी पेरेंट्स से एक बार फिर से अपील करता हूँ कि अपने बच्चे में देश प्रेम की भावना जगाना चाहिए। आप कोऑपरेट कीजिए, जरूर ये एक दिन न एक दिन सफल होगा। आपने देखा और रिसेंटली कितना हमारा नाइबरिंग कंट्री में कितना घटना हो रहा है, अभी रिसेंटली नेपाल में भी हो गया। तो इसमें देशभक्ति का भावना जगना चाहिए बच्चे में। तो मैं फिर से एक बार अपील करता हूँ आप सभी को ये चीज जो है बच्चे में डालिए। और मैं once again I welcome all of you to make this program a successful one with these few words. Thank you to all of you. जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Our SSG member of Bikini Basar, Srimati Tonir Basarman, will now present a memento to our esteemed chief guest. So I would like to call Principal Sir and Srimati Tonir Basarman and our chief guest Dr. Marinana Kalomam and our guest of honor Sri Tony Baum Sir. Please to be on to be there, sir. Please. Now our Tonir Basarman going to felicit our esteemed chief guest. Srimati Dr. Marinana Kalomam. Give a round of applause to our chief guest. Now what I like to, our principal to be felicitate to our guest of honor, Shri Tony Baum Sir, Advocate of the Bharata. Give a round of applause to her.
As Swamiji said, you cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Brotherhood is the heartbeat of Arunachal Pradesh. To remind us of the significance of this sacred day, may I invite Sri Chandan Kumar Bhagat sir onto stage.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, यहाँ मौजूद सभी शिक्षकगण, मेरे प्रिय छात्रों और उनके परिवार के सदस्यों और खास तौर पर यहाँ पर आमंत्रित मुख्य अतिथिगण को मेरा सादर प्रणाम और सुप्रभात। आज हम सभी यहाँ पर वैश्विक भाईचारा दिवस यानी कि यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड डे को मनाने और उसके महत्व को समझने के लिए यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए हैं। हम हर वर्ष 11 सितंबर को इस दिवस को स्वामी जी के उस ऐतिहासिक भाषण को याद करके मनाते हैं जो उन्होंने अमेरिका के शिकागो शहर में विश्व धर्म सभा में दिया था। कहा जाता है कि इस भाषण का शुरुआत ही उन्होंने अमेरिकी भाइयों और बहनों कहकर शुरुआत किया था। उनके इस बात से वहाँ पे मौजूद सभी लोग एकता के सूत्र में बंध गए और मंत्रमुग्ध हो गए और स्वामी जी के भाषण को ध्यान से सुनने लगे। उन्होंने अपने इस भाषण में मुख्य तौर पर यह बात बताया था कि यह पूरा विश्व एक परिवार है। भले ही हमें जातिगत, धार्मिक, सांस्कृतिक विविधताएं हैं, मतभेद है। हमारे भारत में विभिन्न संस्कृति, समाज, धर्म के लोग रहते हैं, पर हम सभी उस एक परमात्मा के ही संतान हैं। हम लोग अलग नहीं हैं। और हमारे ऋषि मुनियों ने भी हमें यही संदेश दिया था कि वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, मतलब कि ये संपूर्ण विश्व ही एक परिवार है, कोई एक दूसरे से अलग नहीं है। उन्होंने अपने इस भाषण में यह भी बताया था कि मानवता का धर्म ही सबसे बड़ा धर्म होता है। हमें मानवता का स्थापना और उसका रक्षा करना चाहिए। मानवता का धर्म ही सबसे बड़ा धर्म होता है। तो आइए हम सब आज प्रण करते हैं कि एक भारतवासी होने के नाते हम एक दूसरे का सम्मान करेंगे, एक दूसरे के धर्म संस्कृति का भी सम्मान करेंगे, एक दूसरे का सहयोग करेंगे, समर्थन करेंगे और एक दूसरे को उन्नति के मार्ग पर आगे बढ़ने में एक दूसरे का सहयोग करेंगे। नमस्कार, जय भारत, जय हिंद।
Amerika loka ania ber oka Asia berkata, nunuk ngunam ajeri jaba durut tagrek nama ngom majab mungkin takna, oka ngom apu ke mungkin nama mengam jela maduna, nunam nijik nikok ke moko oka irda gona galo korum jimi ke duko oka anadoni gala abo polo ke moko gapele lokacin akaja hadapna. Ngo nun narwa mendunaka ji adum jaba gengam lamana Hindu ni gadaga pera lokacin akaja hadapna. Ngo kabadora joka avam japchona ni gadapcin akaja hadapna. Munu mengeba jigo dogo jogo chetam jila narwa bakin namam toruk dunahato. Ngunu jigo dogo joka Ceta mabab nyuma, juga dogo naru, ada katakna yirna gona, targala turutuna, naru tani moko jigi, raken duken doba, baken goba, alna badaloka ingala juga, hala ngo kumlek tarna, akaja.
As Swamiji said, each soul is potentially divine. The goal is to manifest this divinity within. The smallest voices often carry the greatest joy. Watch our tiny tots of class 1 and 2 in their colorful fancy dress parade.
I need soul, it's only what I soul. I don't judge you, go try to soul, so you know you're the soul. I don't know that I do that, I soul. I ain't gonna so you feel like that soul.
Swami Vivekananda said, stand up, be bold, be strong. Take the whole responsibility on your own shoulder. Now comes the movement of the day, the prize distribution ceremony. Before we proceed with the prize distribution, I would like to take this opportunity to briefly reflect on the outreach programs that have been conducted in the past week. Our institution, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Basar, organized a series of competitions across various schools with the objective of fostering academic excellence, creativity, and holistic development among the students. These initiatives provided a valuable platform for the students to explore their potential, strengthen the spirit of teamwork and brotherhoodness. I now invite our Chief Guest Madam, energetic Madam, Srimati M.N. Talo, Madam, to distribute the prizes and honor the accomplishment of all the participants. First, we have the list of winners essay writing competition who their thoughts and vision into words, echoing the true spirit of brotherhood. Here is the list of winners from Government Secondary School Basar Bajar. First position secured by Kumari Bombrik Basar of class 10, daughter of Shri Beka Basar. Kumari Ekta Nadu of class 10, daughter of Shri Ki Nadu. Please come with your parents. Third position secured by Kumari Jumsri Riba of class 10, daughter of Shri Mijum Riba. Next, participants from Government Higher Secondary School. First prize secured by Kumari Tugam Barbi Riba of class 12 Science, daughter of Shri Kartu Riba. Please come with your parents. Second position secured by Kumari Toja Lendo of class 12 Humanities, daughter of Shri Marto Doke. Third position secured by Kumari Tosho Basar of class 9, daughter of Shri Lito Basar. Thank you, Kalo Madam, for taking the time to distribute the prizes. Next, we have the winner of Vivek Vani competition. The voice of Swamiji presented with clarity and passion by our young minds of UPS Nigam, Little Rose English School Basar and GB English Academy Basar. And to do the honor, may I request our esteemed guest of honor, sir, please come on the dais. First, we have the list of winners from Upper Primary School Nigam. First rank secured by Kumari Gope Basar of class 8, daughter of Shri Lugo Basar. Second position secured by Kumari Mongam Basar of class 6, daughter of Shri Mimo Basar. Please come on the dais. Please be ready, Nyai Ramu. Third position secured by Kumari Nyai Ramu of class 7, a daughter of Shri Gumnya Amu. Please come on the stage. Next winners are from Little Rose English School. First position secured by Kumari Lijian Padu of class 7, daughter of Shri Minlik Padu. Please accompany with your parents. Please come on the dais. Second position secured by Kumari Sivo Mamu of class 8, daughter of Shri Mensi Amu. Please come on the dais. Third position secured by Kumari Ripi Riba of class 7, daughter of Shri Kadi Riba. by Kumar Ankit Upadhyay of class 8, son of Shri Krishna Upadhyay. Please come with your parents. Second position secured by Kumar Jolin Basar of class 8, son of Shri Minjo Basar from GV School Academy. Third position secured by Kumar Jungo Basar of class 8, son of Shri Tejum Basar. Please come guys. Thank you very much, sir, for gracing the event. Please have a seat, sir. And finally, we have the winners list of Swami Vivekananda's quotation interpretation, where students gave life to Swamiji's inspirational words. And to do the honor, I would like to request Srimati Tonyan Basar ma'am, our respected SSG member, to please come on the dais for distribution of the prizes. Here is the list of quotation interpretation winners. First we have from Upper Primary School, Basar. First position secured by Kumar Nipin Basar of class 5. Second position secured by Kumar Moji Basar of class 5, son of Shri Karmo Basar. Please come on the dais. Next we have the list from MMR Gurukul School, Basar. First position secured by Kumar Yumdak D. Lendo of class 4, son of Shri Marium Doke. Yumdak D. Lendo, please come with your parents. Second position secured by Kumar Pikom Bame of class 3, son of Shri Karnik Bame. Please come on the dais. Third position secured by Kumar Kento Koyu of class 4, son of Shri Riken Koyu. Next we have the winners list from Little Rose English School, Basar. First position secured by Kumar Lihan Vishwakarma of class 5, son of Shri Sanu Vishwakarma. Please come on the dais. Second position secured by Kumar Nyako Bam of class 5, son of Shri Jumnya Bam. Please come on the dais. Third position secured by Kumari Toi Dirchi of class 4, daughter of Shri Kento Dirchi. Please come on the dais. Kumari Toi Dirchi of class 4. Last but not the least, we have the winners list from GV English Academy, Basar. First position secured by Kumar Tomik Gai of class 4, son of Shri Marto Gai. Please come with your parents. Second position secured by Kumar Rimin Bam of class 5, son of Shri Moru Bam. Please come on the dais. Kumar Rimin Bam, son of Shri Moru Bam. Third position secured by Kumar Karkodaram of class 5, son of Shri Henkar Ram. Please come on the dais with your parents, as it is the moment of pride for your parents as well. from GV English Academy.